hat. A hat. A hat. Well, it's up there by them Sakura cactuses. Is that what they call them? And there's about 15 or 20 bags laying around. Most of them didn't have nothing in them. They had mostly camouflage stuff, and a lot of kids' shoes, adult shoes, spiders. There's one right there. Just scattered all over in there. I think what they did is when they was hitting the highway, they had to abandon their packs so they wouldn't be spotted as travelers. Where are we at? In the Sonoran Desert? Sonoran Desert. Well, I haven't snored since I've been up here, so it's Sakura. Ball cap. This is one of their water containers. Put a strap around it. Get a toothbrush. Got me a bandana. Hey, them's devil's claws. I'll be damned. Need one of these. Mask. Heinz Classic something or other. Still good. What they do is they put their boots in there or shoes, whatever. Everybody wears them. And the reason they do is because they don't leave footprints, as you can see. So they can't be tracked. You put these on, it's just nothing. No tracks whatsoever. And you'll find them all over, everywhere. They're just, everybody that comes through here wears these. I don't know how long they last, but they don't last too long. These are found with all those 16 backpacks that I found that had camouflage stuff in them. You have to understand that the people that want to come to this country, some of them go through a lot of physical pain to get here. And I have sympathy for them in many respects. I don't think that you can say that these people aren't enduring because they have to be out in this wilderness like this, wanting to find a country that they can belong to instead of the one they're in. What's that up here? A blanket. Sombrero. 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 Another nice blanket. A hat. A hat. A hat. A hat.
A hat. A hat. A hat. A hat.
I don't know. I quit picking up hats. There were so many hats out there. I just got tired of picking up hats. Mucho dinero. Got beat. $46. 26 hats. God. Way back over yonder on them, I don't know how many miles I walked. I left about 7 o'clock this morning. And you're not going to believe it. I found another hat, another hat, another hat, another hat. Oh, I ain't done yet. Another hat, and another hat. This is going to just fascinate you. I found that out there in the desert. It's a devil's claw. Couldn't believe it. Oh, I'm not done yet. And another cow. And nice, beautiful blanket. That's my third one. But the coolest thing I come across was this. A spur. Can you believe that? I ain't cleaned it up yet, but looks pretty cool, don't it? I could have found the other, and I looked and looked and looked, but I just couldn't find it. But once I get it cleaned up, I'll know where it come from and blah blah blah. Yeah, no brand so far, but most of your Mexican spurs, they don't brand them anyway. It's got silver on it. Nice design here.